This is the POSWiz desktop version. The first thing we're going to do is look at the reports. Here we're going to download a report. This one is items sold with less than 30% margin. Self-explanatory. It's when the price and the cost is less than 30%. So the pricing is different. And now we're going to go back to signing in. This is how you sign in. You have a username and a passcode. And here we just load into the home screen. This is where you see all the general info, the basic sales, the total profit, the profit percentage. Next, we go into the sales worker, which has all the details about sales. There's obviously a day total, profit by debt, breakdowns. Next, we go into delivery. These are the daily deliveries. As you can see, there's daily reconciliation. And we're actually going to send the data to the AI. That will be key later on. Next, we go to profit analysis. And then we go into invoice. These are where you could show all the transactions, all the pays. You could even choose a status, see if they're paid or not. Next, we'll go into inventory. It says all the items in the store. You can search by quantity in hand. You can filter by all of these tabs. Next, we go to the hot items. Here you could select a specific item and view more data into it. Here we go to Espelon Blanco. Here's a sold graph. You can view all the data from the past sales. We go to a purchase graph. This is when the item was purchased and the quantity number. Next, we go into the purchase history, then item history, and lastly, item edits. Next, we're going to go into CAM reports. These are very interesting because you can launch reports and get specific data that's not included in the original tabs. And just like any other report, you can negative quantity. So here we see the quantity that's most negative. Next, we go to year-to history. We can see all that. And then we go to the vendors list. You can see all the context of the people which you get your items from. Here we go to the hot items last 30 days. And now we're in the AI section. Here we're going to ask a question about the data that we sent earlier. So the question we're asking is how many deliveries were voided yesterday? And now we scroll down and it tells us that there was 2 deliveries voided yesterday. These are just some of the key features, and this is what POSWiz looks like on the desktop version.